Today we're featuring a 2013 Dodge Ram 1500 with the 5.7 liter Hemi in it. This is a Bighorn edition, dark blue in color. It's got Goodyear Wrangler tires on it. It's got a nice 20-inch chrome clad wheel. The color is actually called true blue, which is basically a pretty dark blue. Four-wheel drive, dual rear exhaust. Get your trailer hitch there with your 4-pin and your 7-pin adapter built in. On the inside of the driver's door, you have your power mirrors, your power windows, and your power locks. This vehicle is equipped with a power seat. Nice gray cloth seat there. Got the bucket seat, so you have your center console here with storage up front. Obviously your shifter on the side, cup holders. Nice big armrest with the Dodge emblem on it. Got storage here. You also got spots here for your auxiliary. Got your SD card, and you also got your iPod plug-in. CD player, which, believe it or not, is not a standard feature anymore on these Dodge Rams, so that is actually an option. Plenty of storage, as you can see, in those two compartments, plus on the passenger side. You also have a storage compartment above the glove box, and then also you still have your glove box. To the center here, you got your 8.4-inch touchscreen radio. Under that, on the left-hand side, you got kind of a glare there. You got your knob for your two-wheel drive, your four-wheel drive auto, your four-wheel drive lock, and your 4-low. It's just a turn button. Under the radio, you're under your 8.4-inch touchscreen radio. You have all the knobs for your air and your heat on both sides there, along with your defrost. And then under that, you have your trailer built-in, your built-in brake controller right here, your traction control, and your tow haul. Also got a regular plug-in. On your steering wheel, you have your cruise control on the right-hand side, and then on the left-hand side, you have your U-connect where you can hook your phone up, pair your phone up to the vehicle. Also, these 4 buttons on the bottom here will operate your instrument cluster, which is the 4-inch screen in between your RPMs and your how fast you're driving, your miles per hour. Basically, that information center will tell you everything how the vehicle is operating. Anywhere from your gas mileage to how hot your engine's running. It's got a power rear window, which is the center glass in between the 2 outside glasses right there. Very spacious back seat for your back seat passengers, plenty of leg room. You can fit 3 people very comfortably in this. Again, this is the 2013 Dodge Ram. It's the 1500 with the 5.7 liter Hemi in it. It's a Bighorn edition, 4-wheel drive, 8.4-inch touchscreen radio, power seat, tow mirrors, got a nice front chrome grille. This vehicle is located at Paul Sherry Chrysler Dodge Jeep in Piqua, Ohio. For more questions, you can contact us by phone at 937-778-0830, or you can look at more pictures of this unit on our website at sherrychrysler.com.